Next.
I always emphasize zeroing guns before going out for a hunt or any pest control job. As you can see, we are busy zeroing our guns, making sure that everything is in order and aligned. My friend Prince went downrange to confirm if all the guns are zeroed and ready for a hunt. Today I'm shooting the Artemis M22 in 22 cal, and the scope is the Westhunter TD 5-30 by 56, and the pellet of choice is the JSB Monster Redesigned 25.39 grains at an average velocity of 931 feet per second. Prince is also shooting the Artemis M22 in 22 cal. The scope is Westhunter 4-16 by 44. His pellet of choice is JSB 18.13 grains. The soldier that you see behind Prince is Msamaria. He is holding the Nova Vista Leviathan, which is shooting the JSB 18.13 grains accurately. And on the far right is Innocent, ranging for us. You might have seen him in many of my videos. Now everything is set, let's go for a hunt.
Dia.
KO. KO. The sun is scorching. A bit of rest and hydration is needed when doing a hunt like this. KO. Ora maligani.
I don't.
Those are the rock pigeons and laughing doves that we managed to get. And then it's not easy to capture everything, especially without the scope cam equipment. So if there's any good Samaritan out there willing to donate one, that will be highly appreciated. So that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, to comment, subscribe and share the videos. Cheers, we are out of here.